Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
To change your Yahoo Mail password directly on your Android phone, start by opening the Yahoo Mail application. Once the app is open, locate your profile icon. This is typically found in the upper left corner of your screen. Tap on this profile icon to open the main menu. From the options presented, scroll down until you see Settings, and tap it. Inside the Settings menu, you will then need to select Manage Accounts. This will show a list of your linked accounts. Find your specific Yahoo email address and tap on Account Info right next to it. The next screen will present various account details. Look for and tap on Security Settings. For your protection, the app may require you to sign in again at this point. Enter your current Yahoo password to verify your identity. After successful verification, you will see the Change Password option clearly displayed. Tap on this. Now, you must enter your brand new, strong password into the first designated field. Then, carefully re-enter the exact same new password into the confirmation field. It is crucial that these two entries match perfectly. Once confirmed, tap the Continue or Save button to complete the process. Your Yahoo Mail password has now been successfully updated on your Android device and across all associated Yahoo services. Always choose a complex password to keep your account secure.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.